Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. Today I am unboxing and putting to the test one of the most powerful and versatile power bank on the market, the Joyroom 30000mAh 65 watt power bank. Model number of this power bank is JRPBF05. Join me as I explore its feature, examine its input and output capacities with the help of USB digital tester and see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's examine the box of the power bank. It says 65 watt PD. So you can charge your laptop, tablets, phones and any other PD supported devices. It also supports 2way 65 watt charging speed. That means this power bank can receive and provide 65 watt of power. It has 2 inputs and 3 outputs and it can charge 3 devices simultaneously. Let's look at the back of the power bank. It is 30,000 mAh, large smart display, 36 months warranty, but obviously warranty policy depends on your country or distributor. It supports PD 3.0, QC 3.0, Samsung PPS, AFC, SCP, FCP fast charging protocols, and it has smart temperature control chip for safe charging. And luckily, Joyroom provided a 100 watt Type C to C fast charging cable which is 1.2 meter in length. This is excellent. Now, I am looking at the specification of this power bank. This power bank's capacity is obviously 30,000 mAh, but its actual rated capacity is 18,000 mAh. It has Type C inputs of this voltage and amperes. You are seeing the specification on the screen, and output is also showing now. The weight of the power bank is 495 gram, which is remarkably lighter than other 30,000 mAh power bank. So, time to unbox this power bank. Okay, as I open it up, I am greeted with the sleek and stylish design of this Joyroom power bank. It is obviously compact considering its size, yet it packs a punch with its capacity. Okay, polythene wrapping. Okay, this is the power bank. It has 84% charge inside. Wow, this is very sleek looking. Before I move on to the testing, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Joyroom power bank obviously features a premium construction with durable, aluminum alloy shell that not only looks great but also feels premium and robust in hand. The matte finish gives it a modern and sophisticated look, making it perfect accessory for any tech enthusiast. Okay, what's inside the box? Let's find out. Here is the Type C to C 100 watt PD cable, which is a very nice addition. because the price of the cable I think is around $5. So thank you, Joyroom. Then there is a user manual, again with the rated capacities, instructions and reminder, and a carrying pouch. I always love this accessory because it is very useful when you carry your power bank alongside this cable. Both your power bank and cable is safe inside this carrying pouch. This is okay, quality is moderate, but thank you, Joyroom. Okay, time to visually check the power bank again. It has one USB-A out, one Type-C in and out, and another Type-C in and out. As always, I will use a USB digital tester for testing this Joyroom power bank's input and output power. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, then you obviously know I love this gadget and this is very helpful and handy. If you want to buy this USB tester for yourself, then you can check the product link I put into this video's description. Please take a look. Then I have a 65 watt Isagar branded power brick. This has one USB output and two Type-C output. The power rating of the Type-C output is exactly as this power bank. So both power banks 65 watt capacity are exactly matching. So I hope I can test this power bank's input capacity via this Isagar power brick. In the meantime, I have also reviewed this Isagar power brick in my channel. If you are interested to see that review, you can check the video in this link. Time for input test first, and I will use the Joyroom provided Type-C to Type-C cable for the test. Okay, this Isagar power brick is delivering exactly around 65 watt of electricity, and you can see it is showing 66 watt right now. So first test is passed. This Joyroom power bank can receive 65 watt of electricity if you have a compatible power brick. If you are interested to buy a compatible 65 watt power brick, then please check these product links I put into this video's description. Okay, time to test the output of this power bank. I will test the output capacity in two separate tests. In one test, I am going to charge my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This phone is capable of receiving 45 watt of electricity. So I am putting this phone into test right now. Again, I will use the USB digital tester for actual voltage ampere watt output. Yes, super fast charging 2.0. So this Joyroom power bank and Joyroom cable is 100% compatible with Samsung super fast charging 2.0 protocol, and you can see I have 70% charge on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I think this is the main reason my Joyroom power bank is giving only 20 watt of current. I think this is normal. This is Samsung's built-in protocol. So I will again test this when my phone has less than 30% charge. Now I will test this power bank into max. I am connecting 3 devices at once, and I hope this Joyroom power bank will again pass my test. For this testing, I will use my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is capable of receiving 45 watt of current. I am using my Samsung Galaxy S8 Active, which is capable of receiving 15 watt of current, and a micro B Samsung basic phone, which is capable of receiving 7 or 8 watt of juice. Okay, I am connecting the cables to the phones first. This is type B. It will use the USB protocol, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, obviously it will use type C to type C cable, and Samsung Galaxy S8 Active, I am also connecting it with a type C to type C cable. S23 Ultra connected, S8 Active connected. Now time to connect Samsung Galaxy M01 core. Yes, 3 devices are now connected, and all of the phones are receiving power through this Joyroom 65 watt power bank. My Samsung M01 is charging, my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is charging, and my Samsung Galaxy S8 Active is charging. And as this power bank is delivering power via 3 outputs simultaneously, I am not bothering itself with its output rating. Here is my verdict. As you can see from my testing, the Joyroom power bank charges up incredibly fast thanks to its high input capacity. And I have also connected 3 devices to the power bank, including Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I must say I am thoroughly impressed. The Joyroom power bank delivers a fast and efficient charging experience across the board, ensuring that your devices stay powered up wherever you go. In conclusion, the Joyroom 30,000 mAh 65 watt power bank is everything you could ask for in a portable charging solution. With its massive capacity, fast charging capabilities, and premium build quality, it is a must-have accessory for anyone in the go. And moreover, this power bank is way cheaper than other 65 watt 30,000 mAh power banks in the market. So, if you are in the search for a reliable power bank in low budget, look no further than Joyroom. And that's wrap up my unboxing and testing of the Joyroom 30,000 mAh 65 watt power bank. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and unboxing. Until next time, happy charging!